Hello children, welcome to my channel. Today I have come up with a very interesting topic for all you kids. This video will include like how to find the square of any numbers, how to multiply 2-digit numbers, and how to multiply 2-digit numbers with 3 digits number. So don't skip this video. Watch the video full so that you can understand the concept clearly. So let's get into the topic. First we will see how to find the square of any number. So if I take a 2-digit number, that is 32. So how we will find the square of this number? Square means we have to double this number. So we will put a margin between 3 and 2. Now listen carefully students. We have to find 2 square. 2 square gives the value as 4. Understanding children? Now we have to multiply 3 2s will become 6. And we are finding the square, so we will multiplying it with 2. It becomes 12. So it's a 2-digit number. We will write only this 2. So we have written 2. We remaining 1 is there in 12. Now same way for this side. 3 square. 3 square will give you the value as 9. Understanding children? So 1 plus 9 will give you the value as 10. So we will write here 10. 1024 is the square of 32. That means 32 into 32 will give you the answer as 1024. Very simple, easy. Let's see one more example. To find the square of 16. Again we will do the same method. We will find 6 square. It gives the value as 36. So we need to write only one digit. We will write 6. Remaining what is there? 3. Understanding children? Now 1 6 is 6 and 6 2s. What is the value you will get? 6 2s will become 12. Now we have to add this 3 and 12 will give you the value as 15. So we need to write only one digit, that is 5. Now again remaining 1 is there in this. Now this side also we have to square. 1 square will give you the value as 1. I have written below this only to make it clear. So 1 plus 1 will give you the value as 2. So we will write here 2. So the square for 16, that means 16 into 16 will give you the value as 256. So this way you can find the square of 2-digit number with simple tricks. Understanding children? We'll see the next concept, that is to multiply 2-digit number with 2-digit number. For example, the question is 45 multiplied by 26. Now I'll tell you a simple method. We will write 45 multiplied by 26. In one line only we will find the answer. How? I'll tell you. 5 6 gives you the value as 30. So we'll write only this 0. Understanding children? Now we need to multiply 6 4s will become 24. So I am writing below 3, 24 and 2 5s. That means 10. Understanding children, what I have done? 6 4s are 24 and 2 5s are 10 I have written. Now all these numbers we have to add. 0 we have already written, so we need not take this 0. We need to add all these numbers. So 3 plus 4 will give you the value as 7 and 2 plus 1 will give you the value as 3. Now in this also we need to take only single digit, that means 7. So we have written 7 over here. Now coming for this side, 4 2s. 4 2s will give you the value as 8. I am writing under 3. So 3 plus 8 will give you the value as 11. So 11 we will write. So the answer for 45 multiplied by 26 will be 1170. Simple and easy to solve in one line. Understanding children? We'll see one more same type of sum to make the concept clear. 53 multiplied by 48. Listen carefully. 53 I have written and 48 also I have written. So first we will multiply 3 8s are 24. So what we will write here? Only the 4. 2 we will keep aside. Now 8 5s are 40. So I will write under 2. And 4 3s are 12. Understanding children? 2 plus 2 will give you the value as 4 and 4 plus 1 will become 5. So in this also I will take only 4. 5 I will keep aside. Same way this side also we will multiply 4 5s are 20. So I will write under 5. So this will give you the value as 25. So I'll write here directly 25. So the answer will be 2544. Understanding, children? Easy. So children, don't forget to like the video, share it with your friends and subscribe my channels for more such videos. A 3-digit number with 2 digit. We'll see the questions. 453 multiplied by 48. Now how we will do this? I'll tell you one trick to solve this. We will write here 4, 5, 3. We have separated the numbers. We'll make a box type. This is called lattice method actually. So this way I have prepared one box. We will separate these boxes. Understanding, children? I have separated these boxes, joining all the dots. Understanding? Now what is the next number in this? It is 48. Means 453 we have to multiply by 48. We'll see how to do this. 4 4s are. This way you have to multiply. 4 4s are will 16. So I have written 1 in one box and 6 in another box. Understanding? Same way for 4 5s are will give you the value as 20 and 4 3s are 12. Coming for 8. Same way we have to do for 8 also. 8 4s are 32. 8 5s are 40. And 8 3s are 24. Easy to understand, children. Now we need to add all the numbers. I'll tell you how. 4, we have to take all the margins together. Here only single number is there. Here we need to add 2 and 2. So we need, if we add, we'll get 4. Here 1 plus 4 becomes 5. 5 plus 2 will give you the value as 7. Understanding, children? Coming for next, 2 plus 6. We have to add slanting way. So 2 plus 6 will give you the value as 8. 8 plus 3 will give you the value as 11. So it is coming as 2 digit. We will get the value as 11. So 11 has 2 digits. We need to write units place here and 1 we will carry to the next row. So 1 plus 1 will give you the value as 2. So whatever the values you are getting, outline is being the answer. So what is the value you are getting? 21744. So I'll write the answer as 21744. Understanding, children? Easy to solve. I hope you have understood all the tricks to solve the max sums which you find difficult and it takes long time. So don't forget to subscribe my channel because I'll be uploading the next video for multiplication by 3-digit number, finding the cube of any numbers. So thanks for watching the video. Thank you, students.